Hello everyone, welcome back to my little channel. So today I'm going to be using our new little hand from the Red Iguana. This is the right hand, and then I have a left hand over here. Maybe I'll do a full set, like all 10 fingernails the same. I don't know, but I'm gonna be using our new 2XL square. These do not have a C curve, so girlfriend, if you do not like C curve, then these are for you. You can't really see it because it's in focus, but they do not have a C curve. They have the natural like nail curve, but no C curve. I think I'm just gonna leave them this length, cause she trying to be a little baddie. And so if you wanna see what we're gonna create, just keep on watching. So raise your hand if you missed me. I know. I've been a little MIA, but don't worry, girlfriends. I'm back. So I'm gonna start off with the little pinky, and I'm gonna be doing a kind of deep French. And since I do have a really long nail, I like to do them pretty much like proportion to the nail. I hate seeing, now this is my personal opinion, I hate seeing itty bitty nail beds with a hella long nail. Like, girl, that shit does not look nice. But then again, that's just me. So this is just how I like them. The longer the better. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like to rock little nail beds with ginormous nails or what? And I'm gonna be putting all the acrylics that I'm using in the description, along with whatever other products that I use, because sometimes I forget the colors. But this one is the cover pink nude from my website, and I'm also using the smooth set monomer. So how's everybody doing? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I miss you guys. I really, really miss you guys. But I was like, what color should I do? What color? What color? And I decided to go for like an orange vibe. I know I've been doing like orange recently, but I don't know. I feel like every month I have a color that I really love. But you know what? I didn't choose this color. Actually, it was Patrick. I told him to choose a color from my floral collection so that I can create a set. And he had already told me to do orange, but then I just told him, like, just pick a color from here, and he grabbed this one. I do not remember the name, but I'm going to add it to the description. And I wanted to add a little like goldish vibes, not like yellow gold, but like a champagne color. So this glitter acrylic that I'm using at the tip, this one I do remember the name because it's fancy, girlfriend. The color name is fancy because it's fancy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little ombre. But me pasé de verga con el nude. I was like, I think I put too much nude. So you'll see that I come back in with a little bit more of the orange glitter and blend it up towards the nude. So the trick with ombres is you want to apply a little bit wetter than usual and lightly blend with the tip of your brush, not the full body, because then you're gonna bring down all your product. So try to work very lightly so that if you don't have like the best blend in the world, which is normal, you can always go back and fix it later. So I'm gonna be applying this color fancy on the full ring finger, only because I want like what am I trying to say? I know I'm gonna add bling to this nail, but I don't want it to be like full orange. I want it to be more like subtle but beautiful. I don't know if you know what I mean. But don't forget to subscribe to my little channel, give me a little thumbs up, and leave me a little comment. Can y'all believe this month is coming to an end? Like, yo, this year is flying hella fans. Like, what the hell, man? So I always like to apply all my acrylics really thin, and I add thickness to the nail with my clear acrylic. Um, I just feel like I have to say this all the time because I see on Instagram and TikTok and all this shit where people be applying like hella thick blobs, and I mean, I don't know, girl, you do you, but you just wasting your beautiful product, you know? And it's more expensive to buy glitter and solid colors. So, girl, just use your colors wisely and add the thickness with the clear. But maybe people do it for speed. I don't know. I don't know about speed because this girl is hella slow. Um, so for the Frenchie, I normally do file the French to kind of perfect it and make it more crisp. But I mean, it came out. It didn't look like hella crooked, or I mean, it might be a little crooked or whatever, but it looked pretty good, passable, you know, for the video. And I'm just gonna put both of the colors that I was using on this nail. And girl, let me tell you, these square nails are about to be my new favorites. I don't really like using C-curve nails, but here and there, depending on my client, I prefer C-curve. So these are gonna be great for majority of my clients because they don't really dig the C-curve. I have a handful that kind of request it now, but not everybody like it. So for the thumb, yes, girl, we finally have a thumb. So this hand is the April shade. Because somebody asked me on Instagram, like, what's the name of the hand? I got it at Red Iguana. I'm not sure what her full website is, but it's on Instagram. Um, this one is called April, but I'm still trying to figure out a name for my hands. I bought a left hand and a right hand, so let me know in the comments what you think I should name my hands. Because I do kind of want to give them a name, you know, para que no se muevan las cabronas. So I'm gonna be doing an ombre, just something simple because, you know, nobody really gives the thumbs love, but I wanted to at least give it a little ombre. And I'm using the same nude. I always start in the middle of the nail, so you know ombres mean blended halfways. Unless your client requests otherwise, I always start in half of the nail and I start at the tip. Then I go in with the upper part. I don't know, I just always do that. I feel like it just gives the best blend ever. I know people do it backwards. Um, but sometimes I don't really like to cover my glitters like I'm doing it now. So when I'm done with my blend, I go back in with a little bit of glitter and kind of ombre or feather it up very, very lightly upwards so that my glitter can pop more. I don't know. I just love that vibe. Even though this looks pretty cool, but I feel like this looks even better, you know, more sparkly. Unless you a little subtle bitch, then you do it the other way. So, girl, yes, honey. I don't know why, but this color reminds me of Tang. So for the middle finger, I'm going to be doing some 3D flowers and I'm going to encapsulate them. So you want to make sure to kind of make them thin, but I mean, you could still give them some thickness so that they can be like textured, or you can kind of see that it's a flower once you encapsulate it. Excuse me. And I'm just going to be using my white acrylic and a light peachy color from my website. I do not remember the number for the orange one, but I don't think we have that one available. It's sold out, and I'm not sure if we will be restocking that anytime soon. I'm using my number 2 Kolinsky brush, but later on I ended up switching it to number 4. So depending on the size of the petals or my mood is what brush I'm using. if you do want to speed up the drying time on the acrylic when you're doing 3D flowers, I highly recommend for you to apply acetone so that it could dry a little bit faster. But right now in the summer, you don't really need it. I feel like the heat already helps you to speed everything up. And then in the center, I'm gonna go ahead and add some little gold caviar beads because I don't know, we in the gold vibe, so why not? And I'm using the really small caviar beads so that when I encapsulate it and I file, I do not file into my beads because if they're too big, you will file into them and then they're gonna lose their color. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the nail as much as I can with the flowers. I believe I did like 4 flowers. I'm only gonna be showing you the 2 because I don't want to bore you. But let me know in the comments if you want to see like the full 3Ds or whatever when I do the nails, because sometimes I'll be like, you know what, I'm just gonna crop it a little because people don't want to see everything. Pero pues, quién sabe, maybe you do, maybe you don't. I don't know. And I don't want to make the video way too long because then I gotta talk longer and then my throat hurts, you know. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far and you guys are having a happy Monday. Today's Monday. When I upload this, it's gonna be Tuesday. And this is what they're looking like. Yes, girlfriend. After I did the 3D, I went in with the same fancy glitter and added a little bit of glitter to the clear areas. And I also added a little bit of gold foil and a few little caviar beads just scattered. Just a tip, do not add anything thick around the cuticle because that is the part of the nail that needs to be the thinnest. So make sure if you are going to apply any decor to put it just a little under the cuticle so you do not file it off. And for the ring finger, I'm just going to do some bling bling, girlfriend. And this yellow orange color is called Sun. They are new crystals, but I don't know if I'm gonna be putting them on the website because I didn't order enough to share. Well, it's not with y'all. I'm gonna share with my clients, but let me know in the comments if I should get some more for you bitches. And they came out so pretty, girlfriend. Patrick did a good job choosing this glitter because they matched perfect with these new bling blings that I just got. And yes, these are Swarovski. I know I said I would not use them on my fake hand, but I was just so excited and I wanted to use them already. And I just wish those were my fucking fingers. Pero no. The mannequin gets better nails than us, guys. Yes, honey. Yeah. So I'm just going to be adding just random little diamonds. I'm using the color Sun, the Silk Shimmer, and Crystal Golden Shadow because I feel like those colors just went perfectly with the set, matching with the glitters that I'm using and the fancy color. So let me know in the comments what you think of this video and I'll see you guys next time. I'm just going to finish blinging out this nail, put the little top coat, and girl, you're about to see the finish look. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I'm using the Xxl Bling adhesive, bitch. Is the best of the best. And girl, if you're having problems adhering your crystals and you're using my bling adhesive, make sure to pay attention exactly how I apply it. I apply in small sections at a time. This is very important, okay? Because some girl on TikTok was like, no, it doesn't work. But I'm like, whatever. Let me just tell you again. Apply in small sections. Apply your bling and repeat, okay? Sometimes if you take a long time to apply your bling, your glue will dry before you are ready. So make sure to not be stingy with that glue, girl, and put enough, okay? It works, trust me. And this is what the finished look is looking like. I haven't put any top coat, but girl, they look super cute.